Forget iPads, forget overpriced Android tablets. Tesla just flipped the entire industry with a tablet so cheap, so smart, and so human it can literally feel your mood. How did they do it? And what makes it cost just $47 to build? Let's break it down. Forget iPads, forget overpriced Android tablets. Tesla just flipped the entire industry with a tablet so cheap, so advanced, and so human it can literally sense your mood and respond to how you feel. How did they do it? And how does it cost just $47 to produce? Today on Road Zone Reviews, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the revolutionary Tesla Pi tablet, why it could redefine what technology means, and why it might just change your life forever. The phrase disrupting the industry gets thrown around a lot, online, usually as a flashy headline. But for once, it isn't just hype. Elon Musk once said, "I'm not actually a fan of disruption for its own sake, but if disruption is necessary for the world's future, then yes, we should do it." Well, that time has come. The Tesla Pi tablet has officially been unveiled to the public at a mind-bending price under $195. Even more unbelievable, it costs Tesla only $47 to produce. In a market where phones and tablets often cost $800, $1,500, Tesla is shattering expectations. But what does under $195 really mean? It doesn't mean cheap in the sense of poor quality. Instead, it means Tesla has changed the entire rulebook. They've challenged the idea that only the wealthy deserve premium tech, and now nearly anyone can own a device built to rival laptops that cost 5 times more. So, what exactly do you get for that price? Stay tuned, because in this video, we'll uncover how Tesla managed this, what makes the Pi tablet different from anything you've seen, and why this could spark a real revolution not just for Tesla fans, but for everyone. If you're excited to discover tech that serves people, not just profit, make sure you subscribe and join our growing community. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss Tesla's boldest moves. Part 1. How is Tesla building a premium tablet for just $47? Imagine creating a tablet that competes with a MacBook Pro yet costs less than dinner for two. It sounds impossible, but Tesla's innovation isn't in the specs alone, it's in how they build it. While other tech giants are stuck with outdated production lines, Tesla completely reinvented the process. At Gigafactory, Texas, Tesla built the world's first tablet production line capable of producing 2.7 million units every month. The mind-blowing part: 94% of the process is automated. Compare that to the industry average of 31% automation. This means Tesla cuts human labor costs dramatically and achieves surgical precision with each unit. Tesla also redesigned the tablet architecture to use 73% fewer parts. Fewer parts mean fewer assembly errors, faster production, and a nearly flawless 99.99% first pass yield, a figure almost unheard of in consumer electronics. But it doesn't stop there. Tesla's supply chain strategy is a masterclass in cost reduction. Battery cells. Tesla produces its own battery cells in-house for just $18, compared to competitors paying $67 on the market. All displays through a direct partnership with Samsung Display. Tesla gets panels for $31 that others buy for $89. Custom processors. Tesla's custom-designed D1 processor costs only $23 to make, yet offers performance-matching chips that costs competitors $150 or more. And because Tesla builds its own glass, designs its own battery packs, and uses its proprietary Tesla OS with no licensing fees to Microsoft or Google, costs drop even further. They even sell directly through Tesla stores, skipping traditional retail markups that can double the price of competing products. In total, Tesla's cost per tablet comes to about $47 versus the industry average of $287. That's 84% cheaper, while delivering hardware that's arguably better. And here's the real kicker: Tesla doesn't just make a small profit per tablet. They also earn about $340 per year from services and digital features, turning each $195 device into a $3,400 lifetime value customer. Comment $47 below if you think this price truly changes the game. Part 2. A tablet that feels your emotions. Here's where Tesla breaks the mold completely. The Pi tablet isn't just about specs, it's about human connection. Imagine a device that doesn't just respond to your touch but understands how you feel. At the heart of this is the Emosense chip, a unique Tesla-developed sensor that reads your heart rate and skin temperature when you hold the tablet. Within seconds, it can gauge your emotional state with 85% accuracy, matching professional medical-grade devices when you're stressed. The tablet shifts to gentle blue hues to calm your mind. When you need energy, it switches to vibrant reds and high contrast to boost focus. This isn't a gimmick, it's adaptive technology that changes based on you. Tesla took privacy seriously. By default, your emotional data never leaves the tablet. The encrypted neural chip processes everything locally so your feelings aren't sent to the cloud, advertisers, or even Tesla. And if you ever feel uncomfortable, you can toggle emotion lock mode to turn off sensing entirely. Worried about AI overreach? Don't be. The Pi tablet doesn't generate feelings or think like a person. It simply reflects your current state, like a thermometer measures temperature. No personality, no consciousness, just a tool built to support, not replace, human intuition. Part 3. Designed for everyone. Everywhere asterisk. The Pi tablet's features go beyond emotional adaptation. Cultural Sync OS supports over 200 cultures and languages. In Kenya, it defaults to Swahili. In Japan, it adopts manga-inspired UI. Tesla is the first to deliver true, deep cultural adaptation. Eco-adaptive design. The tablet shell is made from 50% recycled ocean plastic, reducing waste by 80% compared to iPads. It comes in 10 nature-inspired colors, like Sahara Gold and Amazon Green. Vote app lets users suggest and vote on monthly software updates. In beta alone, there were 500,000 plus votes, making the Pi tablet evolve based on real user needs. Education mode offers over 1,000 free courses via partners like Khan Academy, aiming to help 1 billion offline students worldwide. Imagine the possibilities. Students in remote areas finally accessing education. Artists in rural towns designing in 3D. Entrepreneurs using pro-level tools once reserved for the wealthy. Part 3. Designed for everyone. Everywhere asterisk. The Pi tablet's features go beyond emotional adaptation. Cultural Sync OS supports over 200 cultures and languages. In Kenya, it defaults to Swahili. In Japan, it adopts manga-inspired UI. Tesla is the first to deliver true, deep cultural adaptation. Eco-adaptive design. The tablet shell is made from 50% recycled ocean plastic, reducing waste by 80% compared to iPads. It comes in 10 nature-inspired colors, like Sahara Gold and Amazon Green. Vote app lets users suggest and vote on monthly software updates. In beta alone, there were 500,000 plus votes, making the Pi tablet evolve based on real user needs. Education mode offers over 1,000 free courses via partners like Khan Academy, aiming to help 1 billion offline students worldwide. Imagine the possibilities. Students in remote areas finally accessing education. Artists in rural towns designing in 3D. Entrepreneurs using pro-level tools once reserved for the wealthy. The big picture. The Tesla Pi tablet isn't about flashy specs, it's about unlocking human potential. It's proof that technology doesn't need to be exclusive or overpriced, whether it's the $47 cost, the emotion-aware interface, or the impact on education and activism. Tesla is doing more than selling tablets. They're redrawing who has access to power and creativity. If you believe tech should empower everyone, drop a comment and join the movement. And if you want to see where this revolution leads, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching Roadzone Reviews. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired.